Hello everybody, welcome to data visualization with Python laboratory. So it is an ability enhancement course. In this video we are going to learn about program 5b, that is a pie chart. Pie chart are used to show the data in a categories wise. Okay, so that is nothing but so each category is represented with a slice called a wedge in a pie, that is the circle. So in this circle we are dividing into different wedges, so based on the size of the data. Let us see how to represent our data in pie chart using Matplotlib in Python language. Let us see the syllabus first, then we proceed next. So here the program 5b says that write a Python program to demonstrate how to draw a pie chart using a Matplotlib. Yeah. So I'll launch the Jupyter notebook. Okay. First thing is what I want to import my library. Import matplotlib.py plot as, I'll give one shortcut name, plt. Done. Okay. The next step, I want the values. I want the category and their values. So I will use the value, say x, say 35%, 25%, 25, and then say 15%. Okay, so this is my x value. And what are this? Yeah, so I'll just give x labels. These are all the labels, are the categories. Okay, x labels I have used. What is this? I can say these are the FCD, comma FC, comma SC, comma say fail or something. Okay, FCD, FC, second class, and fill. Labels for these values. How many values are there? 4 values and 4 labels, 4 categories I have given. Done. So after that, what I'll do is I will call the function pie, plt dot pie. So what I want to display? I want to display x. Very simple. Then after this, I will call the show function. That's it. Only 5 lines program. I'll just run this code. Yeah, you can see here we got the pie chart. So this is the plain graph. So here we are not understanding anything. Let me show you how to give the names for these wedges, the label, the categories names. There is an attribute called labels. Labels is equal to, and where are our labels? Our labels are in this variable, x labels variable. I'll just copy and paste. I'll run this. Now you can see we got the labels for this. This is our FCD, FC, FL, and second class. Now we'll do a little modification. I want to explode this. I want to separate this from the remaining wedges. How I can do that? I will create one variable called say explode something. Okay, explode is equal to, I'll give the values how much you want. Like I'll give 0.2 for FCD. FC is 0. Then second class is also 0, and the fail is also 0. Yeah, so this is the variable. Now there is a attribute called explode, explode, explode. This is the attribute. I'll give value for this. Where is my value? Value stored in a variable called explode. Now I'll run this. You can see here, so this is exploded, this is separated from the rest. Now if you want, you can give 1 also, or you can give whatever like whatever distance you want, that you can give it. Done. Yeah. Or if you want a shadow for this, you can give the shadow also, comma shadow, shadow is equal to give true. Shadow is equal to true. You can see the shadow for a pie chart. Done. This is how you can add the shadow for our pie chart. Now if you want to change the color, like say different colors are there for different wedges. If you want to change the color, then you can give the attributes called colors is equal to, and you can give hexadecimal value or the red, blue, green, like that, and you can use shortcut as well. So I'm giving R indicate the red. Run this. Now you can see entire our pie has become a red color. If you don't want this, so I don't want this red for all the wedges, I want my own colors, like say for FCD I want green, FC I want blue, SC I want yellow, something like that. If you want, means what you have to do is you have to create the list you have to create for the colors. Yeah, so I'll use my colors one list. So in that I'll mention say I want red. Okay, I want yellow, I want green, say I want pink. Done. 4 colors. Now what I'll do is, instead of using the colors here, I'll use the variable name my colors. Now run this. You can see the different colors, whatever color we have mentioned, automatically it will assign so based on the index here. Done. Now how to add legends. Legend also you can add it. So for that what you can do is you can call the function plt.legend. Legend. Run this. You can see the legends is here, FCD, FC, and this one. Now if you want to show the values, what is this red color, how much percentage is occupying in the pie. We have given the values here, right, 35, 25. That if you want to show, so you can have one function, say attribute called auto PCT, auto PCT, auto PCT. Yeah, I want to show in the form of a percentage. Then what I'll do is percentage, say 1.1 f 2% symbol, right? So after the decimal point I want one value. Now I'll run this. You can see here 35%, 25%, 15% and 25%. This is how you can get those values. How to resize it, you can refer the previous program by using the figure yeah, explore more and check it out what else modification, what extra modification you can do on it. Thank you so much.